Hello and welcome to the channel. At Website Builder Expert, our aim is to give you all the tips, tricks and hacks for building a great website. So if you're at the start of your website building journey, then this is the video for you. I'll be taking you through all the steps you need to go through for building a website that will attract your target customers or clients. I know that time and money are vital resources for solopreneurs and small business owners, so today we'll be looking at doing this in the most efficient way possible, making your life easier and allowing you to focus on your craft. We'll also be looking at how to choose the best domain provider and website builder, as well as any other apps and services that will make your website great and make your life easier. So sit back, relax, and in less than 10 minutes, you will become a website builder expert. A memorable domain name is an important consideration for any business, solopreneur or creator, so take your time and choose the right one. Your first choice domain name may already be taken, or it could cost more than you're hoping to pay. So take time to make a short list of domains and use a domain registrar or a website builder to browse and purchase your favorite. My top tip for getting a cost-effective and snappy domain is to make use of alternative domain extensions. Whilst .com domains are sometimes quite expensive, alternatives such as .io, .me, or .media can be much more cost-effective, allowing you to have a snappier URL. For example, coolwebsite.com will set you back tens of thousands of dollars a year, and even lengthening it to supercoolwebsite.com will still cost hundreds per year. But you could buy coolwebsite.co for just as little as 1 cent per year, or coolwebsite.io for $60 a year. Before you buy your chosen domain, compare different registrars such as GoDaddy or Domain.com to get the best deal. Aside from using a domain registrar, you can also buy your domain name through your website builder, which will simplify things for you, but could cost more than buying through a registrar. But if you haven't chosen a website builder, then you'll want to pay close attention to step 2, which is this is a step to take your time with. Once you've made your choice and you've built your site, it can be difficult and time-consuming to switch all of your content to a different website builder. Before you choose your website builder, you should be very clear on what the purpose of your site is. For example, it could be a portfolio website that showcases your work, or perhaps it's a website to advertise your services to a potential client. Before you choose your website builder, you should be very clear on what the purpose of your site is. For example, it could be a portfolio website that showcases your work. It could be an e-commerce website for selling products, or perhaps it's a website to advertise your services to potential clients. Different website builders tend to excel at different functions. So while Shopify is an excellent website builder for e-commerce sites, it isn't as strong for blogging or for portfolio sites. And while WordPress is an excellent and easy to use platform for blogging, it requires additional plugins and setup for e-commerce, making it more complicated to use than Shopify. I've put a link down in the description below this video to an in-depth article about choosing the best website builder for your needs, but here's a quick overview. Our team of researchers named Wix as the best overall website builder, giving it a 4.8 star rating. It has great customer support, including phone support as well as live chat, and it has more design templates than its rivals with over 2,000 available. It also has an impressive suite of AI tools to help you build your website quickly. While a free plan is available, you can get 10% off paid plans with the code TAKE10. For portfolio sites or for advertising the services of an agency or freelancer, Wix is an excellent choice. If it's e-commerce you're looking to focus on, then Shopify is our recommendation. With an overall rating of 4.2 stars from our team, like Wix, it has great customer support and a good range of AI tools to help you get set up. It also has a great range of apps that allow you to add customizations and functionality to your site, but they do come at an additional cost. With over 200 design templates, there's plenty of choice, but Shopify's focus is on e-commerce functionality. It's easy to get set up and start selling your products, and with huge businesses such as Gymshark and Mattel using the platform, you know you can rely on Shopify ROI as your business grows, with a range of paid plans for different sized businesses. If you're looking for the easiest website builder to use, then we recommend Squarespace with an overall rating of 4.5 stars from our team. It has the largest suite of AI features out of all the options we tested, and it boasts a simple and intuitive user interface that's catered towards small business owners who may have no previous website building experience. It's a brilliant option for solopreneurs, small agencies, or for freelancers wanting to showcase their portfolios. With a 14-day free trial, you'll have plenty of time to give it a try and see if it's up your street. But you can also get 10% off if it's paid plan with the code WBE10. This is a decision you should take some time over. Check out the links in our description for more information and to compare for the best options. Before moving on to step 3, I just wanted to take a quick moment to say thank you for watching this video. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe to the channel for more tips and advice. We also have an article on our website with even more tips on building great websites. You can find a link to that down in the description below. Now, our third step is an important one: designing and structuring your site. This is where you'll decide the look and the layout, which affects how people perceive you or your brand and how they use your site. Most website builders have a wide range of design templates to choose from. These templates will affect both the look and layout of your site, so try to envisage which one will best represent your brand and content. Taking Squarespace as an example, they offer many contrasting templates, from modern, bold and playful through to classic, refined and classy. Moncler is a great option for artists and photographers, while Tantillo is well suited to restaurateurs and street food vendors. With your chosen template, you can then start customizing your site. Builders like Wix and Squarespace offer a drag and drop editor, making it easy for beginners to move elements around and position sections. Others like Shopify and GoDaddy use a section-based editor that limits you creatively but keeps things simple. Before you choose a template, make sure you've designed your logo, chosen fonts, and chosen your color scheme. This will make it much easier to get up and running quickly with a new template and test to see how it looks with your brand. Once you've chosen a template, think carefully about your website structure. Which pages do you need? We recommend a homepage, an about us page, a contact page, and then any pages specific to you or your business, such as a portfolio page for photographers or services page for contractors or agencies. Your homepage should be easy to navigate and should concisely show and tell your visitors who you are and what you do. And it's important to consider SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. It's a powerful tool for finding new customers. Correctly naming pages and giving them the right metadata is crucial to search visibility, as is the use of keywords and phrases such as music teacher in Brooklyn. Our key tip is to draw inspiration from successful brands and businesses in your area of expertise. Design language and website layouts that work for them will most likely work for you, but don't just mimic them. Analyze what it is that works and use that analysis in your own journey. Take Perky Blenders Coffee, for example. Their website is bold, it's funky, a nod to their target market of millennials and Gen Zs. But their navigation and layout is simple and easy to navigate. A great blend of eye-catching design and good UI. Once you're happy with your site's appearance and aesthetic, you'll need to add your content. A lot of templates come with pages built in already, so the work is sometimes done for you. For example, when I tested Wix, I could add pages from the editor using Pages and Menu button in the sidebar. While I'd recommend that every website should have a home page, about page, and contact page, the rest is up to you. If you're building a portfolio site, you'll want to add a portfolio or gallery page to showcase your work so potential clients can see what you've been up to. If you're building a store, then you'll need an online shopfront and you'll likely need a page for each product you're selling. If you're a hairdresser or physical therapist, then you may want an appointment booking form or a button to take people to your chosen booking service, such as Calendly. Other considerations might be an FAQ page or a blog, so people can dive deeper into your business. Once you've added your pages, you'll need to fill them with copy, i.e. the words you use on your website and imagery. Your copy should serve two functions, giving your audience or customers all the information they need and providing search engines such as Google with key phrases to help index your website properly and show you to potential customers. Luckily, you can fulfill both of these functions by following the simple principle of who, what, how, where, and why. Who are you? What do you do? How are you special or different? Where do you do what you do? And why do you do what you do? Answering these questions in your website copy will help search engines find you and persuade customers to work with you. When it comes to imagery, there are plenty of websites that offer free stock photography such as Unsplash, but to really stand out from the crowd, consider using your own unique imagery. This will also likely help your SEO score. This is especially important if you're selling products. People want to see what they're buying before they buy it, so take photos of your products from multiple angles. Consider investing in good lighting and a backdrop, and spend time watching tutorials on product photography. The same goes if you're selling services rather than products. If you're an architect, show off your concepts and finished projects. Or if you're a hairdresser, show some shots of before and afters of your happy clients. Most website builders offer a broad range of functions, apps, and extensions. This can include e-commerce functionality, but can also include newsletter sign-up forms, live booking forms, and even interactive quizzes to help people find the right service or product for their needs. Just be aware that most apps and plugins can cost extra, and to check out the reviews before installing one. Once you're happy that your website looks and functions the way you want it to, then it's time to perform your final checks. Check every page and spelling and typos, and make sure you check each page on desktop and mobile to ensure that everything displays properly on all devices. Try to get into the mindset of your customer and see your website from their point of view, or better yet, test your website on friends and family members and ask them to fill out a feedback form. This will help you determine if there are any errors or gaps you've missed, or if there's any information that's missing. And once you're ready to go, then hit that publish button. Well done, you've created your website. Job done. Well, almost. Be sure to check your website regularly to ensure that everything is working as it should do, and aim to refresh or update your content every few months to keep it up to date. If you have any questions about your website building journey, then please feel free to ask me my advice in the comment section down below, or head over to websitebuilderexpert.com for a huge range of resources, tools, and advice. And if you found this at all helpful, please subscribe to the channel. We provide regular content, not just on building websites, but on maintaining and growing your website too. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.